Sales tip number 20, undistracted prospecting. It's absolutely important that you do not call from a CRM. I'm 100% sure most of the people are calling their prospects directly from the CRM. Why don't call from the CRM? Yes, CRM has all the information, and if you're making one call to a prospect, yeah, that makes sense. But if you're basically going to have to make 30 calls, 50 calls, 60 calls, whatever it is, always make sure that you take a printout or you download that to an Excel sheet, turn everything off, don't do LinkedIn, don't do anything. You finish researching your prospects beforehand, and when you sit for your call block, please make back-to-back calls. Do not take any breaks in between, whether it is a 30-minute call block or whether it is a 60-minute call block. Make sure nobody disturbs you. You do not get any interruptions. You're absolutely focused on getting through your call block and doing your prospecting. Cheers. All the best.